In this short video, we are going to create a lockdown, secure, standalone library catalog kiosk and show you how to deploy it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new source. I'm going to call it whatever I like. Irrelevant. You won't see it generally. The source type, I am going to select always web browser. For a catalog kiosk, we are not going to use cloud desktop. We are going to use web browser. For my browser, I just need to pick my browser. I can do a regular full screen Chrome with address bar and back and forward buttons. I can do without. These are slightly different, but they do essentially the same thing. Or I can pick the same thing with Firefox. So I'm going to create a Chrome kiosk. I'm going to send myself to and I'm going to discard changes after each session. I do not want the browser to save cookies or passwords or login information. So I'm going to discard after each session, and I'm going to turn this off. This is not necessary. There's my source. I now want to control this source. Let's pretend this doesn't exist. And I need to encapsulate it, basically, appropriately. So I'm going to call this catalog station. There's no login for this, no usage agreement. I'm going to skip the session length. This I feel is best practice for creating a catalog kiosk. Of course, if you decide to do something else, that's up to you. I'm going to set an inactivity timeout of 2 minutes, and I'm going to show no warning. I'm not going to bother with pretty much any of the rest of this except a logout button. And then if I want to, I can create I'm going to set my catalog filter, which I've done by just using the whitelist and whitelisting only the domains that I want to use. This isn't quite functional yet, but you'll get the picture. The reason I'm setting a 2-minute privacy logout and no timeout warning is so that if no one uses this station, the station does not reset every 2 minutes. But if they do, then it will. So any login data will be cleared, but at the same time, your usage reports at the end of the month will be nice and clean and usable. That's it. I have my basic configuration set. I have my catalog station. So I'm just to go over that again. I'm picking my session management. I'm applying catalog station, and then I'm going to drag my station into the source. Now, if I want the station to only show the library catalog page, then I need to turn this off, and it will automatically log in to the source and start the full screen browser session. I hit apply, and I'm finished.